Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Live Earth and signing in so your settings and history sync. Enable high-accuracy GPS on your device and permit location access. This ensures pins and routing are precise. Once done, pick the map layer, satellite for imagery, street for navigation, or hybrid to combine both, so you're viewing the best data for your task. Make sure to set units and time zone in settings because correct measurements matter when you measure distances or plan routes. You now perform targeted searches, type an address or paste coordinates and select the correct suggestion. After locating the spot, drop a pin and immediately label it so you can retrieve context later. Save it to a project or folder for organized access. Use the measure tool to trace routes or outline areas. Choose meters, kilometers, or miles, then click points to form segments. Once you finish tracing, double-check vertices and refine them to improve accuracy before proceeding. You finish by exporting or sharing your work. Choose link sharing or export as KML/GeoJSON and set resolution plus which layers to include. Then invite collaborators with view or edit permissions and set expirations if needed so access stays controlled. If you plan prints or analytics, double-check export settings and metadata. If the map becomes slow or imagery fails to load, clear the app cache, toggle off heavy layers, or switch to lower resolution tiles to restore responsiveness quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.